In this video, we're going to have a look at how we can deal with multiple WAN connections. We have two options. We can load balance over them, or we can use one as a priority, and if it fails, then we can switch over to a second. Let's have a look. So if we go to System and then Routing, we can see we've got our two internet connections configured. One's already the default, but we can go to Gateway Groups, click Add. We'll give it a name, Multi-WAN. Now we've got Tier 1 and Tier 2. If we have this configuration, it will mean that if Tier 1 goes down, that's our primary internet connection, then Tier 2 will take over. And there's various ways we can determine whether an internet connection is up or down. If they are the same tier, then it's balanced over the top of both of them. So if you have a VPN connection, for example, you can't use that because it would interfere with the VPN connection. But if you have a VPN connection using Tier 1 and Tier 2 method, then the Tier 1 will have the VPN connection. If it goes down, then the Tier 2 can take over. You do need to accommodate for this when you create your VPNs though. We can choose here how we want to deal with determining whether an interface is up or down. Personally, I would go with packet loss because it's not quite clear what would determine it to be down if it wasn't just for packet loss. However, packet loss for me has worked well, especially when there's a flaky internet connection. It's technically up, but it's not working very well for one reason or another. We choose packet latency and we'll say a description of the same as the name and hit apply. In this case, we're load balancing over both our internet connection until one of them goes flaky, goes a little bit bad, then it will drop that from the pool and use only the working one. The last thing we need to do is to go back to the gateway, go to default gateway and choose our new multi-WAN configuration that we just set. We hit save and apply. And now it will balance between the two of them or use the hot and cold method. Thank you.